Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Diahtsu skills. Please subscribe our channel if you are new to our channel. Our today's video is about P1200 Please Refer to manual. It's Mera Diahtsu. This code may come in Toyota and Suzuki also. So in this code today we are going to work what should be checked. If you would like to properly work on this code, you should check the car's first spark plugs and injectors and fuel pump and fuel pressure. These things should be checked first. After that, if the code was not clearing, the second option for us is changing the ECU of the car. So this is the condition of the fuel pump. The oil, the fuel was very dirty. It was almost sandy. So usually if you would like to work on this code, you should check the injectors, the spark plugs, the pressure of the fuel pump. After that, then you have to check the ACM, engine control module, or ECU, engine control unit. This is also a little bit confusing code, but it's not very difficult. Usually you should inspect every aspect of the car about which the scanner has given the code. So as we checked, the nozzles were very dirty. We cleaned the injectors, we cleaned the fuel pump, we cleaned the spark plug. Now alhamdulillah, the code is almost cleared. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.